As a Google Ads specialist who have managed advertisement for different businesses across the world, I have realized that there are certain things that we cannot control on Google Ads due to how the platform is designed. And because of these reasons, we have to take our time to explain to our advertisers why things work the way they work and why we cannot control some of these things. If you are new to Google Ads, I want to tell you the two important things you should not do if you want to be able to use Google Ads for a long time so that you can get good results for your business. The first thing you should not do if you are new to Google Ads is do not create too many campaigns when you just start using Google Ads. Why do I say this? For many people, when they log into the Google Ads account, they have more than 50 different campaigns in that single account. And then what are they promoting? You can create multiple campaigns in your Google Ads account. In fact, you can create thousands of it. But why should you create multiple campaigns if you are new to Google Ads? You should not create multiple campaigns because when you create a campaign, each campaign will be allocated with certain amount of money to spend for that particular campaign. That is the budget for that campaign. Now, let's say you have 5 different campaigns in your account and you set it for $5 in each campaign. Now, if these campaigns are running, there's tendency that Google can spend beyond your campaign at some time. So let's say you use $5 for 5 campaigns, that is $25. And at the end of the day, you realize that Google have spent $10, $5, $15 in some campaign, and you end up spending about $50 in one day without getting the result you are looking for. That is definitely going to frustrate your effort if you are new to Google Ads and you don't have enough budget to advertise your business. So that is why it is much better for you to start with 1 or 2 campaigns that you can monitor properly to see whether you are getting results or not. And the second thing I want to talk about, especially if you are in Nigeria and African countries where automatic payment is not acceptable. Even if it is acceptable, I will encourage you not to go with automatic payment as your payment method if you are new to Google Ads. And the reason why I'm saying this is that it is quite easier for you to run into debt with Google Ads if you are using automatic payment. I know a lot of people who cannot use Google Ads at this moment because they have accumulated a lot of bills that they cannot longer pay on Google, and because of this their account has been suspended and any new account they create gets suspended immediately. This is one of the reasons why I do recommend for people to use manual payment whether you are new or you are experienced Google Ads user. So as a beginner, I will encourage you, don't start with automatic payment. Go ahead and use manual payment so that when you add $10 into your account, you spend that $10 and Google will not go ahead and spend beyond the money you have in your account. That way you will not accumulate debt in your Google Ads account. I hope you've learned something in this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will definitely address every single question. Thanks again for watching and bye for now.